Hello guys, so this is one of my experiments. This one right here is a key holder, just for you to see a little bit how big it is or how small it is, depending on how you look at it. This is my little finger. All right, this is my little finger because it looked like another thing. This is one of the key rings. Each of the key rings have an LED inside. All right, there is not a lot of electronics, just an LED. The idea is when you insert the key ring inside the honeycomb, you are going to see how the LED lights up. Okay, so for instance, in this case, I'm gonna take this key ring and I'm gonna insert it. This is the actual look. It hasn't light up, and as you can see, I'm putting it nearby, and I'm gonna insert it right there. Okay, so the kit includes 7, and as you can see, when I move it close to the key ring, to the key holder, it lights up. This is blue, green, there are some oranges, white, and another white. The kit includes 7 key rings for your keys. These are some keys, for instance, for you to see. This is how you are supposed to put it on your keys. And then you hang this honeycomb key holder on your wall and just insert it like that. This is red, for instance. Okay, insert. You don't have to put it all the way down, just by inserting it. Okay, just by approaching it and then inserting it, you're going to see how it lights up entirely. All right. So yeah, the kit includes 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you need more, just let me know. The kit doesn't include this this key ring, this little stuff, right? And yeah, all the necessary stuff for you to just connect it to your house. And yeah, that's it. That's how it works. Additional key rings, just let me know again. Thanks for watching.